Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Crossblog XTV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Wow, today's update is about the caller Idowu Phillips, aka Mama Rainbow. Mi ò tó pè yín lórúkọ mà o. Mama Rainbow was born on the 16th of October 1942. Today is her birthday and she clocks 81. Wow, it is not easy to be 81, and as you can see her in this video, see the way she's moving her body, the way she's dancing. I don't understand though. Mama, from Crossblog XTV, we wish you happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Dagba sini lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹ̀rẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yín. Mommy, you are doing wonderfully well. Grandma, you are doing great. In fact, your skin is glowing. Wow. As you can see her in this picture, see the way she looks at 81. In fact, black don't crack. Black don't crack. As in, please enjoy your life. Don't stress your life. Don't be anything about my stress in your. Mama Rainbow is from Ijebu-Ode. She's a prophetess. She's an actress, and she has won so many awards. As in, àwọn eléyìí nollywood, nígbà tí nollywood ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ gangan ni Mama Rainbow. As in, no. Mama Rainbow is so blessed. Look at her again in this picture. Mama just give us different kind posing. Please drop a comment down below. Wish Mama Rainbow happy birthday. Gbogbo àná la fẹ́ tó 81, la fẹ́ ju 81 lọ. It is not easy to be 81, and she's still very, very active. She's still very, very much functioning well, doing, it's just too much. Look at her again in this picture. Mama just give us pose. I just like the way she's dressed in this, her jeans and shirt. Hey, Mama, Grandma, you're doing really well. You're doing wonderfully well. For Crossblog XTV, once again, we wish you happy birthday and may the good Lord bless your new age, Mama Rainbow. Oh God. And she's still very much in acting. She's still acting. In fact, I love watching her. When I was young, I loved to watch Mama Rainbow. She was one of my favorite actress then, and she's still in the limelight. She's still doing her stuff. This is great. So oyeka fitoro. If you want to grow, if you want to be like Mama Rainbow, if you want to grow more than Mama Rainbow, please drop a comment down below. Wish her happy birthday. See at this other picture again. Mama on Brazilian hair with her jeans and her shirt. Hey, oh God. Mama even do makeup, everything on point. And I like her for something. She's just been nobody has anything to say about her. She's been, even when she's on set, we've heard so many people saying things about her. And, Mommy, keep it up. Keep doing what you are doing. Keep doing what you are doing, because we like to see you like this, very active. From Crossblog XTV, we wish you again happy birthday. 81 no be beans, so now beans. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. Stay tuned. God bless.